Hey guys, I am Priyanka. Welcome to Mom and Mickey. If you want to add custom links to your YouTube channel art, that is your Facebook account link, your Instagram link, or your Snapchat, and you don't know how to do that, let me help you with this. So, all you have to do is open your web browser, then open your YouTube account. Get an icon like this where you'll get your display pictures and icons like my channel, create a studio, switch account, go to the my channel icon and click it. Then you'll get an option of customizing your channel, click on that. Here you'll get options like video, playlist, your channels that you have subscribed, discussion, click on about. Here just scroll down and you will get the option of links here, so just click on add. Note that you can only add 5 customized link on your channel art, so I am going to add my Instagram and my Facebook URL to my channel art on YouTube. I'll just simply click on add, and on another tabs I will open my Instagram as well as my Facebook page for my channel Mom and Mickey. I'll copy my URL, I will paste it here. And I'll click on done. So if you want to recheck, then go to my channel on the top left corner. As you can see, your customized links has been attached to your channel art. If you want to recheck or verify, just click on another tab and open the links. There you go, Nia Sharma, the gorgeous lady. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope I am very clear and you got how to add customized links to your channel art on YouTube. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. Till then, have a good day, take care of yourself, bye.